engagement is a particularly important part of our research culture because a lot of the funding that we have is derived really from taxpayers. So we have a responsibility to be able to explain to the general public, whether that's in a supermarket or a school visit or a patient group, what we're using that money for.
Science should be accessible to everyone, whether that's the general public or individuals living with conditions that we research. And public engagement can help to make science more relevant and transparent, bringing together scientists and the wider community, and that's very important to shape our research.
It can also help improve research by making it more relevant to society's needs. And taking part in these PPI activities can help research develop skills that are useful both in and out of the lab. We're lucky to have access to a wealth of experience here and also a great set of resources from activities that have been developed by different researchers over the years.
One example for public engagement at the WIMM is a workshop that we organized. And in this workshop, I used a DNA bracelet kit, which was provided by the WIMM, and it's a great tool to explain a very complicated concept in an engaging way. And this also helped to create an environment that was relaxed enough for people to ask questions and to engage with the researchers about their science.
Some great public engagement initiatives at the WIMM have been developing a free online computer game that explains how a vaccine can be used to combat a global viral pandemic, using virtual reality to help explain how the genome is folded up and then unfolds to switch on particular genes which control what cells do. And we also have a work experience program which we run over the summer where we invite groups of sixth formers from local state schools to come and experience the WIMM, to work in a lab, to attend lectures and understand what it is that we do here and how our medical research operates.
Individual researchers play an important role in outreach because they're the closest to the actual science.
If they want to communicate their own research in a new way, we can help them develop new prompts and new resources.
Activities create a two-way dialogue between the scientists, the charities, the wider community, but most importantly, people who are affected by conditions that we study. It helps to break down barriers and it makes research more accessible and approachable in a way.
These activities are also really great for inspiring the next generation of scientists and researchers.